Hi, my name is Mary Kate Stone, and I am a senior here at UNC. Sustainability to me means shopping local and just supporting the community as a whole, buying local artists' work, going to farmers markets, and just really being super inclusive as a whole entire lifestyle, while also doing the little more stereotypical sustainability things like turning the air off when you don't need the air on, or lights off when you're leaving a room, not keeping the water running, recycling, composting, growing a garden, just all of those little stereotypical things that add up, as well as including them into like an overall lifestyle change. So I'm passionate about the environment because I grew up by the beach, and I've really seen such a change in the degradation of shorelines and the storms coming through from a kid to now. As previously mentioned about living a sustainable lifestyle, I'm a vegetarian, so that cuts down on a carbon footprint. I am especially passionate about thrifting and buying sustainably because fast fashion and the apparel industry is incredibly destructive to our environment. It's one of the leading pollutants, and the industry is only growing more. I not only shop seeking sustainable and biodegradable materials, but also anything secondhand. My desk in my room I refurbished from a thrift store. I try to use sustainable products like the parchment paper that I buy and reusable straws. So I went to Kentucky through UNC for my major capstone, and we went to plant trees on former coal mines. Did a lot of research on what best trees would help grow and regrow the forest that used to be there prior to the coal mine. And I studied abroad in Australia, where I really helped with one of my classes was working with the New South Wales government and coming up with different conservation plans for koalas. When I graduate, I'm going to be an environmental scientist at a company called G. So I interned there previously, and I worked a lot with testing groundwater sampling to make sure it's clean and not polluted. I did some habitat surveys to make sure that areas that businesses are interested in wouldn't impact the endangered species in that area. And I'm really excited to get to do that for hopefully the rest of my life.